Dear students, let us discuss the remaining portion of Class 8 Science, Chapter 15, Some Natural Phenomenon. And the topic name is What is a static electric charge? A static charge or a static electricity is an electric charge which does not move. Static charges are a result when two objects are rubbed with each other. When two surfaces come in contact with each other repeatedly, it results in the transfer of electrons from one material to another. The strength of an electric charge depends upon different factors such as the temperature and humidity, properties of the surface, such as its material. Static charges when woolen sweater and balloon are rubbed together. The diagram above shows that this type of reaction. In opposite to a static charge, there is an electric current. The electric current results when the charges flow or move from one point to another. This electric current results in glowing of bulb or working of all the electrical appliances. Transfer of charges. Charges can transfer from one object to another with the help of conduction and induction. Conduction. When a charged object comes in contact with a conductor, it results in the transfer of charges through the conductor. Induction. When a charged object is brought near a neutral object, it results in shifting in the position of the electrons in the other objects. The process of induction does not involve any physical contact between the charged and uncharged object, while the process of conduction requires a physical contact between them. How the transfer of electric charges leads to conservation of charges. The net charge on a neutral object is zero. However, when an object receives some electrons from another object, the net negative charge on the first object is equal to the net positive charge of the second object. In this way, charges are conserved during the transfer of charges. What is an electroscope? Electroscope is a device which can test if an object is charged or not charged. Bennett developed a gold leaf electroscope in 1787. The structure of an electroscope. Generally, gold and silver are used to construct an electroscope because they are good conductors of electricity. Otherwise, copper and aluminium can also be used. It consists of a glass jar having a vertical brass rod. The rod is inserted into the jar through the cork. The brass rod has a brass disc or horizontal rod attached to it. From the other end, two leaves of gold are suspended. The diagram given below are the diagram of electroscope and working of an electroscope. Working of an electroscope. When a charged object touches the brass disc, electric charges get transferred from the brass rod to the gold leaves. As a result, the gold leaves move away from each other, depicting the presence of charges. So, dear student, in this video lesson, we learn about static charges, an electroscope, and working of an electroscope. So, thanks.